Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making a light up laugh sign. So I got this new mold from Resin on Amazon. It is a series of block letters that spells out the word laugh, and so I thought it would be a lot of fun to make it into an ocean themed one. So I have my mold here. I have some colors. I'm going to be using the ones from Eye Candy in Dark Ocean Blue and Glimmer Ghost Blue. I have some LED lights. These are just fairy lights that you can get on Amazon, and it lights up kind of purplish blue, more blue than purple. And I also have an assortment of seashells that I've collected over time. So I just have a variety here, and we're just going to put them into the mold. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start first by adding the seashells to the mold. As you can see here, the words here are actually backwards because the bottom is actually going to be the front. So we want the seashells to show up on the front. So what we're going to do is lay them down on the bottom, add the lights, and then the resin. So I'm taking my assortment of shells here, and we are just going to place them where it seems to make sense. Next, we're going to take the lights and put them into the cavity. Now we're going to pour a clear layer of resin over the shells and light. Here we're using a heat gun to pop any bubbles. It's been about an hour and the first layer has started to set. Let's go ahead and add the second layer. We're going to mix the mica powder into the clear resin. Then we're going to pour the mix into the mold. I'm alternating between the two colors. Now we're going to wait a day for it to cure. Alright, so it's been a day and we are ready to demold. So let's go ahead and pop it out. Filters are always a little bit tough because of all the little gaps and crevices. Alright everyone, and I was finally able to get it out of the mold. It was very tricky because all of these grooves over here, the silicone was pretty tight, so it was really hard to pull it out. But it is out and I think it looks beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at this. So we have a seashells on top, we have the blue in the back. So from the side you can see the two layers, and here is the back. The blue is so pretty. And of course we have our little light switch here, which we can turn on. And there it goes. I'm gonna turn off one of my lights and you can see that it is so pretty lit up. And here is a close-up of all the shells. I think I could have added more shells. I wasn't sure because I didn't want it to look too busy. But I think a few more on my next one will look just as good. Alright everyone, so this was a lot of fun. So what do you think of my sign? If you like it, give this video a big thumbs up. And you want to see more videos like this? Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!